In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Nano Banana. We'll start simple and move smoothly through each action so you can follow along without pausing. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This keeps everything straightforward and ensures you begin from a familiar place. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. Searching this way is the quickest and most reliable route to the correct page, and it helps you land on the official Google experience rather than a lookalike. When the results load, select the link for Google Gemini. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your regular Google account. Staying signed in helps keep your workspace and uploads organized. Once you're in the Gemini interface, look for the Create Image button. Clicking this is the key moment. This is what activates Nano Banana behind the scenes. You won't need to toggle anything else. Just selecting Create Image puts you in the right mode for visual generation. Next, you'll upload a reference image by clicking the plus sign. Choose a clear, well-lit image from your device. Higher resolution files tend to produce more accurate results, and neutral backgrounds help the model focus on your subject. Avoid images with sensitive information or anything you don't want processed. Now it's time to craft your prompt. This is where you guide the system on what to create and how closely it should match the reference. You can use a detailed prompt like this. Using the attached photo, recreate it exactly the same, with the entire form composed of an arrangement of hundreds of fruits and vegetables. Match each fruit to the corresponding colors of the subject. The background is filled with various overlapping fruit leaves scattered in an irregular pattern. Clear, explicit instructions help the model honor your composition, color mapping, and background treatment. If you need a different artistic direction, keep your wording precise and describe the subject, style, materials, and background separately for best results. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. The generation may take a moment, especially if your prompt is complex or your reference image is large. Once the output appears, review the details and compare them to your intent. If something feels off, tweak your wording, tighten the style, clarify colors, or specify the density of elements, and submit again to refine the result. And that's it. You went from Google to Gemini, activated Nano Banana via Create Image, uploaded a reference, wrote a focused prompt, and submitted it for generation. Follow these steps anytime you want consistent, high-quality results.